everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds. I'm here to draw the winner of last month's competition. I got a bit of time to do it. I've been working huge hours, so I do apologise for getting this out so late, but it's just been massive and I had an early mark today, which was great. It's time to do the video and share who the winners are for last month. So anyone who did a 100 PV order, you went in the draw to win some lavender bath bombs and this roll-on kit with the little crystals in it, and I've got two of them to give away. So I've got two people. Here are all the people. I'm not sure if you can see them very well, but these are the people who entered with 100 PV. So let's put them all into the bowl, and usually I have someone to help me, but today it's just me on my own. So the first person is Alicia W. Well done, you're the first winner. And the second winner is, let's see, is Kate H. So congratulations to Alicia and Kate. I'll get your prize out to you. Have a wonderful one. No competition this month, but have a great one and have a wonderful Christmas and New Year, and catch you later. Bye.